Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on your Poco C75. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, first thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to additional settings, click it. Next, you open memory extension. And you can add virtual RAM on your device until 6 GB. I choose 6 GB like this. Next, you can see reboot device. Reboot your device to a play change. Click reboot. Okay, wait a minute. Your phone already turned on. Okay, successfully, and I will check my RAM. Open settings menu. Next, open about phone. Next, open additional settings. And you open memory extension. Yep, successfully. My virtual RAM is 6 GB. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.